Hey there, and welcome back. Today I thought we could explore the control panel in System 6. It is a lot less advanced than you would see in later versions of System for Macintosh. So here we go. And right now I only have 4 options here in the control panel, but installing more extensions, you could have more than this. Alright, under General, we can change our desktop pattern. They don't get too fancy. I never really liked any of the patterns except for the standard one. Oh boy, that just hurts the eyes right there. I think I remember my teacher at school had this one for their background. Bricks. Let's try this. That's not too bad. I mean, it's neat to see them, but some of these just hurt your eyes. Okay, let's find the original pattern. Forgot there was so many of these. Okay, here we go. So that is our original pattern there. We can change how quickly the insertion point for text blinks. It's kind of interesting that they would give you a setting for that. That seems kind of strange to me today. Time, of course. Okay, menu blinking would be when we come up here, I believe. Let's change that to 3. Okay, so I think it's when you select something, it'll blink 3 times. RAM cache. Don't need that. Okay, keyboard. Key repeat and delay. I'm not sure if these would have any effect on games, but that would be something interesting to check out. We can change our keyboard from the US one. Mouse. Tracking. I don't know why it was set to tablet. Okay, let's go under sound. Oh yes, now here's some of the original sounds that came with System. That was boing, clink clack, monkey, and simple beep. You sure think that something's wrong when you hear clink clank. I think I'll leave it to boing. That's it. That's a very simple control panel in System 6.